a star, a planet, very, very far away apart. A system so vast it redefines the boundaries of what we thought possible. What if a planet's year lasts nearly 1 million Earth years? What if it was so far from its star, they seemed completely unconnected? What secrets lie in this vast, mysterious connection between a star and its distant giant? In 2016, a rare planetary system with vast dimensions was discovered. The planets of the system orbit their star hundreds of times farther than Neptune, the most distant planet from the Sun. The large system is located in the direction of the Octans constellation, an ancient navigation instrument. It lies between the constellations of Chamaeleon and Tucana. The discovery of this system was made through direct imaging techniques, utilizing data from infrared sky surveys such as the 2-micron all-sky survey. So it is not visible from Earth without equipment. Let's head to the planetary system. Our galaxy has hundreds of billions of stars and spans more than 110,000 light-years in diameter. The large planetary system is relatively close, at a distance of 100 light-years from Earth. With our current technology, it would take approximately 1.8 million years to cover the distance to this vast planetary system. The star of the system was cataloged with this long name, also known as FT Octantis, but here we will simply call it TYC. It is a red dwarf approximately the same size as the Sun, but less massive and less hot. The star has a rapid rotation and intense activity in its coronal and chromospheric layers, its uppermost layers. It completes a full rotation on its axis in 11 days and ejects strong stellar winds and flares. Stars that spin very fast provide clues that they are still young and have not had time to slow down. This star is only 45 million years old. Our Sun, by comparison, is already 4.6 billion years old. The planet is located an impressive 1 trillion kilometers away from its star, equivalent to 110 times the size of Neptune's orbit around the Sun in its full diameter. If Earth were this far from the Sun, our spacecraft would take 1,900 years just to probe the surroundings of our star. The TYC planetary system is by far the largest ever found so far. The second largest known planetary system is 3 times smaller. The system is gigantic and mostly empty, as far as we know. Despite the vast space between the celestial bodies, the planet appears to be alone in its long orbit around its star. If this were our solar system, we wouldn't even be able to celebrate a birthday, since the planet takes about 900,000 years to complete one orbit around its star. Since the system is approximately 45 million years old, the planet has completed less than 50 orbits around the star throughout its existence. The planet is a gas giant with massive dimensions. It is approximately 65% larger than Jupiter and has about 10 times more mass. Even being very far from its star, the planet maintains a surprising surface temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. This is because it is young and still retains heat from its formation. Our planet Earth once had temperatures of 1,000 degrees Celsius during its early formation. Earth is 150 million kilometers from the Sun. This distance is what we call 1 astronomical unit. The planet 2 mass is located 7,000 astronomical units away from its star. The star is so far from the planet that they don't even seem connected. Its faint light makes it look like just another distant star in the night sky. The planet's distance is so immense that if it were orbiting our solar system at the same proportional distance, we might not have discovered it yet. This is the only known system with a planet so massive in such a wide orbit. How it formed and remained stable is still an unresolved question. The star and planet have been known since 2008, but their connection wasn't initially recognized. It was thought that the planet was wandering alone in the galaxy, like billions of others. Only in 2016 was the planet's movement calculated, revealing that it's not as solitary as once believed. In fact, it has a long-distance relationship with its star. The giant planets of the solar system have dozens of moons. The planet in this large system could also host many moons. Its gravity is strong enough to support large moons the size of Earth. If advanced civilizations with super telescopes exist in this region and are pointing them at us, they are currently receiving the light that left Earth over 100 years ago. Just over 100 years ago, part of our civilization was in the midst of the Second Industrial Revolution. This period was marked by the development and mass production of electric power, combustion engines, transportation, chemistry, medicine, and food production. In 1914, still during the Second Industrial Revolution, we went against progress and started World War I, manufacturing many weapons to fight a war against ourselves. Potential inhabitants 100 light-years from Earth may now be observing our capacity for development, as well as our ability for self-destruction. The light from our present moment has just begun its long journey across the vastness of the universe before reaching other worlds. The information of our present will take 110 years to reach the region of this great planetary system. This vast and rare planetary system in our galaxy has given us a new and important case study about the formation and evolution of massive worlds far from their stars. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more journeys into space. Consider supporting the channel by becoming a member, sending a thanks to help keep these journeys going. Got a destination in mind? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next flight.